All right, today we're going to take a look at this ice cream maker by VEVOR. It's the SU104 model, and it does have a compressor, so you do not need to freeze ice beforehand. You could just plug it in, and it should be good to go. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Manual. Okay. Looks like there's some recipes on the inside too, so it's more than just a manual. We'll hang on to that. All right. All right, that's what it looks like. Let's see. Foam for the packaging. Measuring cup, and you see on top that's the mixer. Okay, makes about that much ice cream, I guess. All right, so let's follow the directions and let's see if we can make some ice cream. Looks like you can make some gelato, some sorbet, and regular ice cream too. All right, let's give it a shot. We cleaned everything out. We have that bucket in there. And I think you just put that mixer in and this top. Put that in there and we can lock it on the side. Lock it on the side. All right, now we should be able to prepare all the ingredients, pour it in, and get started. All right, so I chopped up some strawberries and now we're smashing it. First time doing this, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm using whole milk. I don't have heavy cream, but we're gonna follow a recipe using whole milk instead. And I'll add the ingredients and some soup and some sugar, then we'll mix it up. All right, we're gonna mix everything up all together. Supposed to mix it up really good. All right, so now I mixed everything up and we're gonna add it to this guy. Close that up and let's see. What do we do here? I want ice cream. Oh, here. There's the ice cream setting, 60 minutes. All right, let's start it. We'll see how that turns out. 34 minutes has passed, and it's beginning to look like ice cream. All right, 60 minutes. Ice cream, let's see what it looks like. All right, it looks pretty good. So it moves to the freezer mode after it's done, looks like. I'll try it. The consistency is actually pretty good, but my recipe needs more sugar for sure. But I think the ice cream maker is good. All right, we'll let it sit and we're gonna enjoy this after dinner. Pretty easy VEVOR ice cream maker.